The California standards for the teaching profession, known as the CSTP, are intended to provide guidelines for educators to fulfill their professional roles and responsibilities. These standards are not regulations used to control the specific actions of teachers, but rather to guide teachers as they develop, refine, and extend their practice. A growing body of research confirms that the quality of teaching is what matters most for students' development and learning. Excellent teaching requires knowledge, skills, commitment, and passion. The CSTP are organized around 6 interrelated standards for teaching. Standard 1, engaging and supporting all students in learning. Standard 2, creating and maintaining effective environments for student learning. Standard 3, understanding and organizing subject matter for student learning. Standard 4, planning instruction and designing learning experiences for all students. Standard 5, assessing students for learning. Standard 6, developing as a professional educator. Within each of these standards are specific substandards. For example, in Standard 3, understanding and organizing subject matter for student learning, is Substandard 3.6, addressing the needs of English language learners and students with special needs to provide equitable access to content. In this section, you will be completing a self-assessment using the CSTP. Although your self-assessment is not used for an official evaluation with your school district, many school districts base their evaluations on teachers' ability to meet the CSTPs. Self-reflecting on your strengths and areas for growth will help to improve your teaching practice as you consider the CSTP in your teaching. As you complete the self-assessment, reflect honestly on your rankings, as we will revisit this self-assessment regularly to monitor growth in your teaching practice. After you complete your CSTP self-assessment, identify one strength and one area for growth in your current teaching practice as related to the CSTP. Share the ranking from the CSTP self-assessment and explain the rationale for your decision.